To use Venmo on a computer, start by going to the Venmo website and signing into your account. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number, and create a password. Once you are signed in, you will see your Venmo dashboard, which displays your balance, recent transactions, and a list of your friends. To send money, click on the Send Money tab and enter the recipient's name, phone number, or email address. You can also add a note to the payment, which is optional but can be helpful for keeping track of what the payment is for. Next, enter the amount you want to send and choose your funding source, which can be a bank account, credit card, or debit card. Review the transaction details to make sure everything is correct, and then click Send. The recipient will receive a notification and can then accept the payment. To request money, click on the Request Money tab and enter the sender's name, phone number, or email address. You can also add a note to the request, which can be helpful for explaining what the request is for. Enter the amount you are requesting and choose a funding source. Review the transaction details and then click Request. You can also use Venmo to pay for goods and services online. Many websites and apps accept Venmo as a payment method, and you can simply click on the Venmo option at checkout to complete the transaction. To manage your account, click on the Settings tab, where you can update your profile information, add or remove funding sources, and adjust your privacy settings. You can also use this tab to access your transaction history and download statements. Best practices for using Venmo on a computer include keeping your account information up to date, monitoring your transaction history regularly, and being cautious when sending or requesting money to or from people you do not know. It is also a good idea to use two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. By following these steps and tips, you can safely and easily use Venmo on your computer to send and receive money, make online purchases, and manage your account.